The LaFerrari, this version from 2014. We have seen these sell for multiple $1 million. JK, cannot wait to see what happens to this version.
Well, what a sensation. When you say the ultimate Ferrari, they really meant it. They poured all of the development and the experience with success in Formula One racing into the technology of this car. Combination of a 6.3-liter normally aspirated V12 with hybrid electric power, putting out a total 949 horsepower. Going back to that famous Ferrari F1 7-speed dual clutch gearbox, guys, it's brand new, 131 miles. They were instant collectible when they were new, and they've only continued to increase in demand and desirability as time has marched on.
Yeah, they were sold out before the paint was even dry on them. I mean, they were the it car for anybody that was well-heeled enough that could write the check.
This car will do 0 to 100 miles an hour in under 5 seconds. It did 0 to 2 million plus in about a minute and a half here on the auction block. And we're not done yet. 2.56.
Rosso Corsa, the signature color for all things Ferrari.
I have $2,000,008. Give $3,000,000. $2,000,008, $2,000,009. $2,900,000 for it. $2,900,000. $2,000,009. $2,000,009. $2,000,008 bid. You want to get $2,000,009? $2,000,008 is the bid. $2,000,009, Kevin.
Yes!
$2,000,009. $3,000,000. I have $2,000,009 bid. You want to get $3. $2,000,009 bid. You want to get $3. I have $2,000,009 bid. You want to get $3,000,000.
I've followed along, John. There's got to be a 3 at the front of this price tag.
We're not far from it.
Anybody else? $2,000,009. $3,000,000. $2,000,009 bid. You want to get $3. I have $2,000,009 bid. You want to get $3 bid. You want to get $3,000,000. I have $2,900,000. You want to get $3,000,000. You want to get $3,000,000. Kevin? $3,000,000.
Why would you want to know exactly?
131 miles. 131 miles.
Still at $2.9 million.
Hybrid.
Give me 5 seconds.
V12 engine.
2.
Scuderia Ferrari Shield.
$2,000,009.
Hey! Reserve is on!
Well, Frank, go ahead, JK.
Frank Mecum working with the consignor. They have got the details worked out. Scott, the reserve is off at $2 million and now $3 million. That magic number has been met.
Who's going to be the last man standing?
This was the price target we were all hoping for. We've discussed it, and we just went past it at $3.1 million.
Let him have it. $3,000,002. $3,000,001. $3,000,002.
Jimmy Landis, hammer in the air.
Sold.
Sold it. $3.1 million. They got it. She can't believe it. Another Mecum Monterey moment right there on a 2014 LaFerrari. Wow.
Overhead cam V8, Bosch Jetronic fuel injection, rated at 200.